Previously, we've learned about 4 intelligent workshops of blanking, welding, machining, and spraying. Today, it's time to see the core of Dingli's future factory, which is the most automated assembly line in the global industry. We can see that the entire workshop contains several assembly lines for booms, large rough terrain scissors, and differentiated products. The workshop is of high intelligent level. The accessories are automatically distributed to each workstation through AGV intelligent logistic according to specific routes. At the same time, the workstations are equipped with many power-assisted equipment, which greatly saves manpower and increases efficiency by more than 50%. In addition to the hardware manufacturing, our software is also very well configured. The assembly workshop strictly implements the mass manufacturing execution system, which provides all-round visual guidance on key processes through production quality control, process execution reporting, and order execution status. At present, the offline efficiency of Dingli's large boom and large rough terrain scissor can respectively reach 30 minutes and 60 minutes per unit. So far, the whole intelligent manufacturing process of Dingli's future factory has been shown. Welcome to visit our factory. This is Derek. See you next time.